Alright guys, happy Memorial Day. We're gonna run this video because I'm getting the hell out of my house. So, Brent gave me the good to go. We are good to go. And I'm going live. We're going to go live here right now. There you go. We got a live stamp. And you got 842 here. 842 here. Our list is set up, 56 items on the list. And this is 842 here. GLC1 FS36 6.5 CBCS. And gonna go back here. We do have a live there. 3 dice rule. Alright. We're gonna begin 9 times. And your winner is Jennifer Smith, spot 11. 9, 9, 843, 843, 843. Congratulations. Yeah, hold on. Showing all the timestamps. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open up our congratulations, we are done. Alright guys, have a good day, okay?